I can't forget say me have a daughter. But me sure know say I'm my own. I also can't forget say me have an investigative woman.
Alright. You still not answer me though.
Come here. Listen. You remember when Carlton he'd have him little mission for go on? Yeah. When him go on a mission there, before him go on a mission there, he give me a key to a vault and tell me say if him no return, if he use the money with the inside of it for deal with me youth them. Right? Now after that me see him not say nothing to me.
Ah, Jesus. Trevor, you shouldn't trouble the man money. Suppose him turn up one day and want him money. Where you go get it from?
Camille, me not big head but you know. Here one. He message me with you and tell me say him now come back. I'm afraid use up the money. And even if him come back and want back him money, he can just sell the house. By them time we're supposed to make enough money we're in which, you know, we have money can deal with that. Or buy a next house.
So Trevor, if the man come back, right? What you gonna do? Displace the family? And then you have to try to allocate money for get one next house? After me and Kamisha get comfortable? Me not like that.
Me just a say, this is just a worst case scenario. You understand? Me get permission for use the money.
Written permission?
Yeah, me have it in a text message.
Okay, Trevor. Here what more you do for me. You go screenshot it and you go send it to me. Not in a text message, but by email. Cause we're supposed to have it formally. That's my way to do it formal. So just do that for me.
Yo, you're the best, you know. But here, me understand what you say. You understand? Me like your concerns.
Yeah, move up, Trevor. And I no want nothing. When I say nothing at all from the past, come haunt you and disrupt the good things them we have want for you. By the way, you deal with the numbers something?
Yeah. Me linking man, you know. And him say me for come chat to him.
Trevor, suppose I hear numbers here say you get money from Carlton Wallace. That's why I want $1 million.
So how him would I hear that? Eh? I'ma tell you something. Carlton nah disclose this to nobody. This are between me and him.
I just say,
Don't worry yourself. I cover all bases. Right now, me just want go linking and deal with the matter. Yeah.
okay, Trevor. One more thing.
What that?
We're going for the permanent tenant.
Which permanent tenant?
The same one. She not there for weeks now. But she still have a room.
It a pay for?
That's not the point, Trevor. Remember who she associated with. You still want her here?
Well, I plan for talk to her still, you know. So, I guess when she turn up, if me there, we can have that conversation there with her.
Well, now here's your chance. I wonder who she happy to see. 'cause I could never me. Must be you.
Hello, family. I have good news. So, I have invested in a new business.
Here we go again.
So, nobody's gonna ask me what is the new business?
What the new business, Nicey?
I thought you'd never asked. It's a lovely, centrally located funeral home.
So from a restaurant to dead house?
Both are absolutely needed. We all have to eat, and we all have to die.
Nice. That means you're officially back in business.
And yeah, go back at your place, right?
Absolutely. And I'll be paying for the rest of this month, even though I won't be staying. That's just my way of saying thanks.
Okay, nice. And we just want to say thank you. Nicey. Out of curiosity, why a funeral home?
Oh, I've always been involved with the dead. Didn't Trevor tell you?